Hey everyone, I'm Tom, and today I'm going to show you the best DJI drone under $500. You might be asking yourself, why under $500? Well, it's because of this. The Mavic freaking Mini. The big claim to fame with this drone is that it weighs 249 grams, so you don't have to register it. We're going to throw that out the window for a second and talk about some other specs. Mavic Mini has a 3-axis gimbal. It also has a 1x2.3-inch CMOS sensor and can shoot 2.7K at 25 and 30 frames per second. This DJI mystery drone also has a 3-axis gimbal, a 1x2.3-inch CMOS sensor. It also shoots 4K at 24 frames per second and 2.7 at 24, 25, and 30 frames. What is this mystery drone? It's the Mavic Pro. Let me know in the comments if you guessed it. All the aerial footage you've seen this far in the video is from the Mavic Pro, a drone that came out nearly 3 years ago. While the size and weight of both drones are drastically different, there are many trains of thought when it comes to the pro photo and video space. People who like to travel or hike might want a more compact and light drone, while people who need to fly in more windy territories might want more weight. Regardless of what you need the drone for, I wanted to make this video to show that the Mavic Pro is still a quality performer. It still has its shortfalls, as many of those were addressed with the release of the Mavic 2 and the Mavic Zoom. But while DJI is marketing the Mini as its new entry-level or beginner drone, shan't we forget the Mavic Pro. Unlike the Mini, the Pro is able to receive cell signal. It also has the option to fly on Wi-Fi. More importantly, it's a drone you can grow into. As of this video being recorded, the Mavic Mini has no changeable video settings and records only in auto-detecting format. This is problematic based on the situations that you may be flying in, with it being too bright or too dark. You might have noticed that DJI no longer sells the Mavic Pro off their website either. It's officially been replaced with the Mavic Pro Platinum and will cost you just about $1,150 to buy. A better place to start your search would be eBay or even your local Craigslist. While many will be selling off their old model drones, you could easily get the same spec'd out drone way underpriced. While there are a ton of reasons that one may be better than the other, for the sake of time, I'll leave it up to you what drone fits your lifestyle better. If this video made you think a little harder about buying the newest pint-sized DJI drone, I'd love if you hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what you think. I love drones, tech, gadgets, and storytelling, and I'd love to have you along for the ride. Thanks so much for watching. Check out another one of my drone overviews here, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.